In this video, I will show you how I personally would design for the niches I send you every week. So this was the week's 10 print on demand niches. Let's pick this first one. For example, I'm the grandma, sorry, not sorry. I always make sure for you that the competition is less than 1,000 results, so you have more chances of making sales. So here you have to take a look at the design styles that are selling and try to combine 2 or 3 into one. For example, this design used the pink and purple colors. We can take this part from it, and next we can take this design style and tweak it a little, then add in the colors from the first design. Let's go with the process so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. I will be using Kettle to design. By the way, they have a great Black Friday deal right now. You get 3 months for free if you buy any yearly plan. Just make sure to use code BF2024 in the checkout, and it will be only available in the next 4 days, so make sure to be fast. So in Kettle, choose the resolution. I go with the Amazon merge. There is already a template for that here. I will click the artboard and change the color to black, since I will design for a black t-shirt in this example. What I do now is take the t-shirts that I wanna combine from Amazon, start by this one, right click it and copy image, and go to Kettle and paste it by pressing Ctrl V. I'll just scale it down and place it right here. Next, the t-shirt that I wanna take the colors from, copy it as well and paste it in the artboard and place it down here. Go to the text icon and click add headline so you can add the text, change the color to white and the size to around 400. Start by typing since we're taking this design's layout, and of course we have to change the font. There is a lot of different fonts and styles you could choose from, depends on your niche. For this one, I think this Ambry Garden looks good enough. Let's just scale up the text and click this center icon to perfectly center it. I'll duplicate the text now and type that. For this we'll need a script font. You can filter them right here and just keep clicking each font until one will look good. For me, I'll keep this one, and see how I placed it in the left side instead of the right side as the original design. You should always tweak things from the placements to the graphics, fonts, etc. because you should definitely not make a copycat design. Next is duplicating this text and type in grandma. Alright, I'm gonna look for a heart graphic under the elements section. You can extend this so you can see more graphics much faster. Okay, I'll choose this one here, just click it and it will appear in your artboard. Change the color to white and click the erase icon to remove that rounded element around the heart, because I want the heart only. Just like that, delete it. And I've seen that Kettle really improved this year compared to last year. They added much more useful features and tools. You can feel they're really always up to date. Anyway, I'll place the heart on the right side since the original placed it on the left. And now I'll add those little stars. You can find them under ornaments right here. There's different star shapes you can choose from. Let's add this one and change the color to white, and scale it down and bring it here. Duplicate it and bring another one here. You can add another star, change the color to white, and just keep placing them here and there. Now in this empty spaces, flowers will look good here, so search it on elements and look for a style that will suit the fonts, like this one, and just place it right here. And this other graphic, just place it here. Yeah, that's good enough. Now we gotta add the colors from this other design. Select the text you wanna change and use the eyedropper tool and pick the color you want. In this case, pink. Same goes with the other text. Select it and choose the color you want with the eyedropper tool. And lastly, for grandma. For the graphics, I feel like they're fine to stay just in white. Now let's add hashtag sorry not sorry and make the color white. And that's the first design. The idea here is to keep taking 2 to 3 selling designs and try to combine them into one. You can save this design by clicking download in the top, make sure to select remove background, and just like that you have it. Let's now design for the next niche. My heart is on that stage. So this niche targets kind of a different audiences. Here you got a theater theme designed, and this other one is for dancers, and this one for actors or acting. In this case, you could make a normal text design without any specific graphics to target all audiences. Or what I'm thinking about is making a design related to, let's say, acting, and then change that acting related graphic to the other audiences. So I will copy this shirt and paste it on Kettle, and also this other one to try combine them both. Start by adding a text by clicking add a headline, type my heart, and for this niche, the script font is what seems to sell very well. So go to fonts and look for a great script font to use. I will stick with this one called Bulgaria, and scale the text to the maximum of the artboard and duplicate it and type in the last word of the niche, stage. Also scale it to the maximum, duplicate the text again and type is on. Here I could use another script font. I'll go with this one, it matches perfectly the first font we used, and duplicate again and type that. I will put a heart graphic right here, so in elements search heart, and we could use this one, and I'll keep the same color for it. Now I gotta add a graphic related, so let's say this design is for actors, so I can look movie in elements And let's take this one, place it just like that, and that would be the first design. Now let's say you want ballet dancers. I will just delete the graphic related to acting and look for ballet dancer. We could use this one, and that would be the second design. So I hope this video was helpful. You just have to apply the same thing, like combining 2 or 3 different designs into one design on every niche I send you. And don't forget to get 3 months of Kettle for free with getting any yearly plan with code BF2024.